Welcome to Initiating ProtekDuo Support with LifeSPARC Pump. This training is designed to provide you with the basic procedure steps for the LifeSPARC system and should be used as a supplement to the LifeSPARC Operations Manual, Procedure Guide, and Directions for Use. To place the ProtekDuo cannula, the right internal jugular vein is the preferred insertion site. Introduce the guide wire through the needle and advance to the desired position. Note, prior to guide wire insertion, a flow-directed pressure catheter may be used to aid in proper placement in the pulmonary artery. Serial dilate the entry site to 26 French and anticoagulate to raise the ACT level over 400 seconds. Insert the introducer cannula assembly over the guide wire and advance to the desired location. Confirm the position of the tip of the ProtekDuo cannula using techniques such as pressure transducing, O2 saturation, and echocardiography. Confirm adequate volume exists via right heart pressures. Next, remove the guide wire and introducer until they are beyond the clamp area of the cannula. Then, leaving the hemostasis cap in place, temporarily to control blood loss, clamp the cannula in the clamp area. Remove the hemostasis cap from the cannula port marked proximal back bleed and clamp the cannula in the clamp area. Secure the cannula to the patient's neck by suturing the suture wings provided with the cannula. Pump connection to the cannula can now be performed. Connect the pump inflow tubing marked with the blue stripe to the cannula port you wish to drain blood from using a wet-to-wet connection. Next, using a wet-to-wet connection, connect the pump outflow tubing marked with a red stripe to the cannula port you wish to return blood. Once you have confirmed that all of the air has been removed, insert the tubing over the second barb of the tubing connectors. Release the clamp on the inflow cannula. Release the clamp on the pump inflow tubing marked with a blue stripe and on the pump outflow tubing marked with the red stripe. Do not release the clamp on the outflow cannula. Start the pump, which will start at 3,500 RPMs. Check for air bubbles. If the tubing and pump are free of air, slowly release the clamp on the outflow cannula. Gradually increase the speed of the pump until the desired level of flow is achieved. These same steps can be taken if there is a tandem lung oxygenator in the circuit. First, make the wet-to-wet connections to the cannula with the blue stripe to the pump inlet and the red stripe to the pump oxygenator outlet. Next, verify the gas line is attached to the gas in port and start the flow of oxygen. Then start the pump and release clamps sequentially while checking for air in the circuit. Finally, adjust pump RPMs to optimize flow. When appropriate, remove the sterile drapes from the cannula insertion sites. Secure the pump or pump and oxygenator using the appropriate holster and/or neoprene wrap. For ProtekDuo cannulation, the Voyager vest may be used to aid patient mobility and device securement. For more information, contact your local Tandem Life representative.